What's going on, guys? Welcome back to King Print. I just wanted to make this quick video here and show you a run that I was doing here on Halftones, and pretty much how easy it is to print halftones, and especially using my homemade exposure unit, that it can be done. But I just want to show you here. It's going to be a two-color print. I have a white and black ink. So what we're doing here is a lot of various different color shirts. I have, some gray shirts, some black shirts, brown. The customer wanted just a bunch of different various shirts. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and lay the white down, which is looking pretty good now. And then right over that, it's gonna go black ink. So for example, on this one, on this dark garment here, I could have just printed white, but I just want them all to be uniform and the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay that black on that, but just look at how nice that looks right there. In a minute, I'm gonna go ahead and give a close-up so you can, tell a little bit more. This image here, it was, pretty detailed on what the customer wanted. Originally, it was gonna be, a full-color process print, but my press here is only a 4-color press, so there was no way I'd be able to do that. So, I kind of talked them into doing just, single color print, and we got it up to 2 colors here. Yeah, on that dark garment, just going plain white looks pretty good. I think this was like a CD cover or something like that. But as you can see here, just check out all the detail in there. I mean, it looks pretty good. You can see, the tattoo, all the shading in his beard, all that, looking pretty good. And the cool thing about it is I used a 110 mesh. So yeah, you don't have to use like a 156 or, a 200. A lot of people are gonna tell you, to go ahead and use that higher mesh count, which yeah, you can definitely do that. But all my screens are 110, and I've never really had any problems with using a 110 mesh. So I mean, you can do it with a 110. So anyways, guys, this was just a quick video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.